The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for in New Jersey, Hudson County, Bergen County, Essex County, in New York, Westchester County, Queens County, Bronx County, New York County, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Secaucus, moving east at 45 miles per hour, hazard 75 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Union City and Peterborough around 2:50 p.m. Hackensack and Ridgefield around 2:55 p.m. Birkenfield and Harlem around 3 p.m. Mott Haven and RFK Bridge around 3:05 p.m. Flushing and East Tremont around 3:10 p.m. Yonkers and Rocks Neck Bridge around 3:15 p.m. New Rochelle and Bayside around 3:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
And the winner is Fat Boy Slim Praise.